and welcome to another episode of the StrottSHOW. I'm Michael Carroll, Vice President at Strottner Designs, and your guide through all things marketing, branding, SEO, social media, website design, and so on. Happy to join you another week with another scintillating SEO-based topic. This week, we are going to be discussing the ultimate guide to image alt attributes and SEO. I know, it's a scorcher, so why don't we dive right in and get right to the topic at hand today. This is a blog post from June 25th of this year. You can find all of these topics in our blog, which we helpfully call the style sheet, a little design-based punning there for you. So, here we go. In our online age, the phrase, "a picture is worth 1,000 words," takes on new significance, in particular when it comes to search engine optimization, SEO. Images can greatly enhance the user experience on your website, but to ensure that they also enhance your site's SEO, there are several key considerations to keep in mind. This SEO 101 post will delve into the importance of image alt attributes and other picture considerations for SEO, helping you create a more engaging and search-friendly website. Sometimes a picture is worth more than 1,000 words, and I think this is one of those cases. And here we have some links to our previous posts. So what are image alt attributes? These are often referred to as alt text, descriptions added to the HTML code of an image on a web page. These descriptions are meant to provide crucial context to the image for search engines and users who are unable to see the image. Alt text is crucial for several reasons. One, accessibility. Alt text helps visually impaired users who rely on screen readers to understand the content of images. Two, SEO. Search engines use alt text to index and understand the content of images, which can impact your website's ranking. And three, user experience. If an image fails to load, the alt text will appear in its place, giving users context. Some of these are just a lot of fun for us. Now, how to write effective alt text. Writing effective text is both an art and a science. Here are some tips to get it right. More can be found in Google Forms. Be descriptive. Clearly describe the image in a concise manner. For example, instead of dog, use golden retriever playing in the park. Include keywords. Incorporate relevant keywords naturally, but avoid keyword stuffing. For instance, golden retriever playing in Central Park, New York. Keep it short. Aim for 125 characters or fewer. This length is optimal for most screen readers. And avoid redundancy. Don't use phrases like image of or picture of. Screen readers already indicate that it's an image. You don't want to be part of the Department of Redundancy department. Now, beyond alt text, other picture considerations for SEO. Think about your image file name. Before you even upload an image, give it a meaningful file name. Instead of image1234.jpg, use something descriptive like Golden Retriever Park JPEG. This helps search engines understand the content of the image. Image file size and format. Large image files can slow down your website, negatively affecting your user experience, and SEO. Optimize images by compressing. Use tools like TinyPNG or JPEG Optimizer to reduce file size without compromising quality. And make sure you choose the right format. Use JPEGs for photographs, PNGs for images requiring transparency, and SVGs for simple graphics and logos. 3. Image dimensions and responsiveness. Ensure your images are appropriately sized for different devices. Use responsive design techniques so images scale properly on desktops, tablets, and smartphones. Implement the SRC set attribute to serve different image sizes based on the device's resolution. 4. Captions and surrounding text. Captions and surrounding text can provide additional context for your images. In fact, captions are often read more than the main body of the text, so include keywords to boost SEO. Ensure the text around the image is relevant and descriptive. 5. Structured data, like schema markup, can enhance the way search engines understand your images. Use image object schema to provide detailed information about your images, which can enhance search results with rich snippets. Sounds like a buddy, right? Oh man, I went to school with rich snippets. We're getting together this weekend. 6. Lazy loading. Lazy loading is a technique that delays the loading of images until they're needed. This improves initial page load times and can positively impact SEO. This is a function of Core Web Vitals. Image sitemaps. Including images in your XML sitemap helps search engines find and index them. This can be particularly useful for sites with a large number of images. This is something that we take care of on a monthly basis, and then we resubmit those sitemaps to all of the relevant search engines. So I'm not saying this is the conclusion, but it's the conclusion. Optimizing images for SEO involves more than just adding alt text. By paying attention to file names, sizes, formats, dimensions, captions, and structured data, you can enhance both the user experience and your site's search engine performance. Remember, well-optimized images not only make your site more accessible and faster, but also help you rank better in search results, driving more traffic to your site, which is always the goal. Drive more traffic, have that traffic perform an important action. If you're unsure how the images on your site are performing, you can use our free audit tool. This is now found on any page of the website. You just go up here, free audit. There you go. Enter your site and your email. Or email us at support@strottner.com. And remember, we have decided to extend SE October through the end of the year. So take advantage of that. Get discounted options on your SEO. Take advantage of our new AI results optimization, or Arrow. And always feel free to leave a comment, send us an email, reach out to us in any way you think is fun or appropriate. We look forward to seeing more from you. We'll be back, not next week, but in 2 weeks. Next week, if you're following the calendar, is Thanksgiving week. We'll be dark in the office, but available. My name is Michael Carroll. I want to thank you for spending this time with me today. And remember to be good, but if you can't be good, always be careful. Have a great week. We'll see you next time at the StrottSHOW.